And this is the Amsterdam theme part of Fisherman's Wharf. The music is a little bit getting to me a little bit. But we have this other kind of stuff. There's kind of a New Orleans feel venue over here. And just kind of a really random, this is like a Lisboa Portuguese, not a theme, but a restaurant. But this is gonna be the focus for this one, Amsterdam. Okay, we'll be right back. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, I can hear the music. I'm right underneath it. Hope it doesn't ruin the video. But this is all Amsterdam. There's a nice Thai restaurant right here. You can see the Amsterdam theme. I don't know what they have in all these buildings. I think it's just a facade. I've never had a reason to go up into them. But there's a Thai restaurant right there, and then on the backside, there's a place to sit and overlook the water. Spicy. There's speakers everywhere. Playground area. Looks like they're getting set up for some event here. Sands Casinos in the background. D3 is another nightclub. So there's a nightclub here, D3. Then another one down there called D2, which is kind of in this New Orleans themed one. And we're gonna walk around this Amsterdam themed building just so you can see it. And it looks pretty cool. Like it looks like it's been here a long time, but you can see it's kind of used with storage. They just put a bunch of stuff. So most of that is just kind of storage stuff. You can see stuff in almost all the windows, but there's a purple shirt. Looks like an employee shirt. Maybe some people live upstairs. Huh. Hard to say. And then over here, there's all these restaurants that overlook the water as well. And this is the one that overlooks this is the Thai restaurant with the Amsterdam theme. Looks like I can't avoid music here today. We got speakers throughout the whole Fisherman's Wharf area. Okay, so that over there is ferry terminal right there. This is Legend Palace Hotel, kind of docks. I've never seen them use the docks. I don't know if people use them or not. This is the bridge that goes to Taipa, and then there's another bridge that goes to Hong Kong, which I believe is closed right now. But I think some people can still go back and forth, but you have to do a 2-week quarantine. And you can't be a foreigner with a tourist visa. Okay, so that's our Amsterdam themed one with a Thai restaurant as well. But you can kind of see some beautiful places to sit and overlook the water. So yep, it's a nice Thai restaurant. Beautiful waterfront right there as well. So yeah, so I don't know if you can see, but that little top part has this kind of Amsterdam looks to it as well. So it's pretty cool. And then this Thai restaurant is kind of the focus here as well. So okay, let's just go back to the front part. Looks like the music slowed down a little bit, so that's good. So yeah, it's Fisherman's Wharf down that way. And that's our Amsterdam themed part of the Fisherman's Wharf. Okay, hope you liked it.